What up, what up, what up? Easy Silent Hustle here every day, all day. Y'all, we ain't playing no games, y'all. So we are in video number 4. I told you I wasn't stopping for the month of October as Easy Silent Harvest. We are going in and we are not going to stop till we get 31 videos up this month, y'all. So look, so in this video, I'm doing a video on how to set up your business page, okay? On Facebook, you want to make sure you set up a business page on Facebook so you can go ahead and start promoting your business on Facebook and Instagram. You can do it through Facebook business page by running ads to Instagram as well as Facebook, okay? So we're gonna want to make sure you set up your business page. You want to make sure you set it up correctly, even using SEO marketing, okay, y'all? Before we get in the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below. Please hit that notification bell down below so you'll be notified when we upload videos every day this month, because we're not playing no games, y'all. Also, if y'all have any video ideas that you want me to do, comment down below and tell me what videos you want to see this month. If we can take care of those videos, we definitely will put them up. If we have the knowledge of the information on that particular topic, we would definitely put them up. So please let us know down in the description. Also, you guys, I'm gonna try to do a lot of helping out business that are new beginners that are trying to learn or trying to grow their business or trying to get known out there. Those are the videos I'm gonna try to do this month right here, well, at least for this week. And then maybe I'll cater to Facebook ads and running Instagram ads and maybe TikTok ads in some of the videos coming up, y'all. But y'all, I don't like to talk much, so let's get into the video. I'll see y'all in a minute when I get in front of the laptop. All right.
If nobody ever told you, well, I say you're awesome. This is for the underrated, undiscovered bosses. Yeah, the silent hustlers. You know you a boss.
All right, y'all, we back, y'all. So you want to be already logged into your Facebook page. And when you log into your Facebook page, you're going to click on this plus sign up here, which is the create button. So you're going to go ahead and hit the plus sign. And then you're going to scroll down here and you're going to click on page. You want to create a page, okay? So once you get here, you want to go ahead and put your page name. And I already created a business. I'm going to do a business called Rose Arts and Craft. So we're going to do Rose Arts and Craft. And you want to put your business name right here, okay? All right. And then when you scroll down, you want to go ahead and put the category you in. You want to make sure you put your category, whatever type of business you have. We're going to put Arts and Craft Store. But you want to, again, put your business name. Once you put in Arts and Craft, then right here, you're going to go ahead and write down your description. I'm not going to make up a description right now, but we're going to just write Rose Arts and Craft. But you can write the description if you have your description for your business, okay? And then we're going to click on Create Page. Once you hit create page, you're going to see that your page has been created. All right, so you want to just scroll down and you want to add your profile picture. And what you can do, you can actually do your logo to your business. Again, I've already had one set up to put there, but you could do your logo, a nice little logo right there, or some type of picture that represents you right here, okay? That'll be your center picture. And we just did one for this business, Rose Arts and Craft, okay? You want to go ahead and add your cover picture as well. And once you add your cover picture, it'll come up at the top, okay? And this is your cover picture right there. And we're going to alter this in a minute, okay? All right, and once you add your logo and your cover picture, you want to go ahead and hit saved, okay? All right, and once you hit save, you can edit or remove your picture if you like, but we're going to go ahead and hit edit if you want to edit your picture or choose another picture, okay? But we're going to reposition this picture by hitting on reposition, and we're going to drag it down, okay? So you can go ahead and drag your picture how you want it once you get it on there, okay? So just click and drag it, and again, just hit reposition. So hit saved. Same goes for right here. If you don't want this logo picture right here that we put, you can go ahead and click on picture, and you can view the picture or edit the picture. When you click on edit picture, you can go ahead and find whatever picture you want or upload another one, okay? All right, once you do that, what I recommend you do is go ahead and create a username for your page. Go ahead and click right here and create a username. My recommendation is that you use your business name right here. So when people search your business page, they're actually searching your business name. And we're going to see, I think on the business name, on the username, it cannot have any spaces. So let's see, Arts and Crafts. So we're going to use our business name, but we're going to not have any spaces on it, okay? So let's see if that one is available. It's not, so it won't let us use the apostrophe. So let's just use all of it. ROS, Rose Arts and Crafts, okay? See if this one is available. And this is without the apostrophe. All right, so we have the business name. Again, you want to try to stick with your business name. If you have apostrophe like we do, just go ahead and take it out, and no spaces when it comes to your username, okay? And go ahead and click create username. All right, so we all set. And you see it right here, Rose Arts and Crafts, okay? Now, the purpose of a business page is that you want people to come to you and purchase or learn more about your product. You want to make sure you have your button set up. So we're going to create this button right here and hit add a button. And we could tell them to follow us, order food, book now, or whatever you want them to do, okay? So on this, we're going to say, but we're going to choose follow, so because we want people to start following us. So now once we did that, you'll see the button says follow. It actually says edit follow for us, but your people that come to your page will see just the word follow. If you want to change the button or edit the button, you go ahead and hit edit button, okay? If you want to change it, you go ahead and hit edit button. So let's go ahead and view this page as a visitor. So when the visitor comes to your page, this is what they'll see. When you click on it, they'll actually see this right here. Okay. So let's go back one. So now you want to go ahead and you can add a live video to your page or whatever you want to do. You can add it here. You can go ahead and invite your friends or invite all friends. You can see all the friends and go ahead and invite your friends to this page right quick so you can get followers now. And I suggest you go ahead and add your friends to your list and tell them to follow your page. Okay. Once you do that, all right, once you scroll down, I suggest everybody go ahead and enter their information in the about us. We're going to go ahead and edit the page info. Please put in your page info information so people know who you are, okay? So we already did the general information, which is the name of my business, the username, and our description. Again, write more right here. Please write 2 or 3 sentences at least. At least try to, try to do a few sentences, but please use words that people are Googling or people are searching. That's the key to SEO marketing. You want to make sure that your business is getting out there, and it's only getting out there if you're using the words that people are searching, okay? All right, then you want to come down here to the contact us page. Make sure you put your information in right here. And all of it is simple. I'm just not going to put it in on this particular business just yet. Well, I don't want to put all the information out there, okay? Then you want to do your location of your business, where your business located. If anything, just put your city and state and your zip code. Then you want to put your hours of operation. Please put your hours of operation so people know how to get in contact with you, okay? Some people put a COVID information because of COVID that's going on. Some people do put information about their business, even if it's your business hours, even if it's we're not open to this. Whatever you change, you want to go ahead and put that down here, okay? When you go to more, you have the privacy page and the products you sell. You can go ahead and put this information in. Like if your restaurant is at the level 1, 2, or $3 signs on your business prices, on your menu prices, most people that have a restaurant pretty much knows what these dollar signs are for, okay? Go ahead and fill out all your information on this as well. All right, once you finish your About Us page, the page is pretty much done. You're pretty much done once you set up this business page. What I do recommend is for people to go ahead and set up a business manager page. You want to set up a business manager page so you can run ads to your people that are following you, so you can get more involvement on your page. On my next video, I'm actually going to do a video on how to set up the business manager page. And once you set up the business manager page, you're able to run ads to your Facebook page, your Instagram page, and to a lot of other third-party applications or apps that allow you to run ads on, because you want to make sure you run ads to people that people that are searching your particular type of business, okay? On the next video, we're going to go ahead and show you how to set up your business manager page, and then we're going to also do a video on how to run Facebook ads and cater to your particular audience or your particular people that you're selling to, okay? All right, y'all, we through on this one. This was a short and simple video. Y'all, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because we're trying to do videos every day. This is video number 4. I told you I wasn't playing. We done, y'all. We done. We did the video. I showed y'all how to set up the business page. Y'all can do this. Get out there, go to grinding. Don't stop pushing, y'all. It's the month of October. It's the 4th quarter. I need y'all to get out there and start your business. Grind. grind. Do not stop. Y'all get your Shopify store up. Y'all get your business website up. Oh yeah, if y'all need any help, go to easysilenthustle.com and we'll be able to help y'all with your social media marketing. We can help y'all build a website. Go ahead and get your domain name on there. Go ahead and get your domain name, get your website hosting package. Y'all, we here for y'all. Easy Silent Hustle. Y'all, we ain't playing no games, y'all. Until tomorrow videos, y'all be easy. Peace.
Silent Hustle, yeah. If nobody ever told you, well, I say you're awesome. This is for the underrated, undiscovered bosses. Yeah, yeah, the silent hustlers. You know you a boss, ayy. Silent hustle, but you hustle hard, ayy.